Bathrooms doesn't have to be boring, nor does it have to be bland. Few simple, easy steps change an ordinary window into something more glamorous and add a bit of drama. Today I'll show you how. Right, so as you can see, small little window. It has currently a Venetian blind on it. Very functional, very pretty, but it lacks color and style. Now my client loves ornate, beautiful textures, a bit of shine, a bit of damask patterns. She's a girl who really just loves opulence. So the easiest way to do that in a small bathroom like this is a Roman shade. It literally takes only the fabric that you need for this window, add a few extras for the sides, and you make a Roman shade. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to add a little blind like that in a pretty pattern, and I'm going to put it up there, add a little bit of a tassel, and it's going to look stunning. It's really, really easy. If you have a little bit of skill on a sewing machine, you can sew straight. This is a job that you can very easily do yourself. I will link in the description a tutorial on exactly how to make this blind step by step. So if you click on that link, it'll take you to my blog, and there you'll find really good photos and how to make it very, very simply. The only trick that you have is you have to sew straight, and that's it. Let's get working. How gorgeous is that little blind? That was easy, wasn't it? And what a difference. It looks beautiful. A simple piece of fabric, the size of your window, add a little bit, fold it, iron it, stitch it, hang it. It's that simple. Girls, you have no excuse. You saw me do it, you can do it. Go grab that drill. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you back here next time. I hope you subscribe, and thank you for watching.